What are the characteristics of a time vampire?
In your initial communications, you're talking past each other. An example would be, someone sends you an email, you reply to the email, and then they send back another email that makes it clear that they didn't read what you wrote. That's a big red flag, because the communication lag is just going to be torture. Another one is that, hey, could we just jump on a call to brainstorm? I just want to pick your brain. Like, people who have the time to sit around picking someone's brain are not busy people. And usually that's a broad stroke I'm making there, but usually that's a sign that what they really want to do is get validation from an expert, someone they perceive to be an expert, that they're so smart and that they have such a great plan. And they're not really looking for your advice. They're really looking for validation. Another thing is if you push back on someone and they just ignore it or reject it, if they're a bad listener. So you can discover all of these things, even in an email. You can discover those things very quickly on a sales phone call. You'll know at the end of half an hour if you're in trouble, if it's a bad fit. I mean, I boil all of this down to, I only work with people I'd like to have dinner with. If you have that level of even an early relationship with someone that you're like, I think I could hang out with this person, then means your communication's clicking, you're laughing at each other's jokes, there's a mutual trust, you understand each other, and they're not going to bug you.